This is Oppidan Data Center. It's a 99,000 square foot, 10 megawatt data center in Memphis, Tennessee. On this project, I met a contractor, Mid-South Electric, to provide them with seismic bracing. We also saw this as a great opportunity for Gripple industrial hangers, as there are lengthy drops on this project.
We installed all the electrical and telecommunications. We've grounded the product and given them 3 megawatts of electrical power for the data center. We're in a Class D seismic area, so we're bound by a strong, stringent seismic requirements.
The seismic loads are typically higher than what you see on most other projects. We use the Gripple GS12 seismic cable kit as well as the Gripple GS19 seismic cable kit. Size varies based off of the loads on the particular project, as well as the 20-foot UniGrip number 3 size. These UniGrips were supplied double locks for each drop so that we could have multiple trapezes on the same linear drop to provide the contractor with more value.
When we stack levels of the unistrut, we can easily adjust and level out without having to worry about loosening nuts and such. It's a very quick turn, release, lock back into place. So that's one of the best benefits of this whole product. For any other contractors thinking of whether this is a product that they want to use, I would say get behind it and figure it out, because it's saving a lot of time.
In general, contractors don't like installing seismic bracing, but they work with partners like us because we're able to provide them with TecLoc seismic bracing, because it is the fastest seismic cable kit on the market. In general, you're not going to want to install it, but if you're going to work with a partner like ASC Equipment, like Gripple, that can provide them with solutions that are project specific when they need it, and the fastest and easiest to install, it's a no-brainer for the customer.